Judge Vandervee, court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Proctors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
This case is a masterclass in hidden power dynamics. A mom terrified into accepting crumbs, a dad dodging scrutiny, and a system that couldn't save her in that moment. But you can help spread awareness. Smash that like button if you're shocked, comment Darvo if you spotted his tactics, and subscribe for more cases that expose the truth behind the courtroom doors. Share this. Someone might need to hear it.
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys currently married?
my ex-husband.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 a month to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to, the $415?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And what else does Dad pay for?
He covers any extracurricular activities that the children would like to do, anything that they want, they get.
Okay.
And he covers their health insurance. He's an excellent father.
Okay, let's pause here. On paper, this seems suspiciously tidy. She's asking to reduce child support while praising him for covering everything: health insurance, summer camps, extracurriculars. But here's the legal red flag. Texas, child support is based on income. If he's truly this wealthy, $415 a month is shockingly low. Either she's hiding fear, which we'll see later, or there's financial manipulation at play. And why doesn't she know his health insurance cost? This feels less like an agreement and more like coercion. What would you do if your ex had all the financial power?
Okay, so you say he covers extracurricular activities,
Yes, ma'am.
health insurance. How much is health insurance?
I don't know. He would have all of the numbers for whatever he says I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay, okay. And what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right, that's a nice little spread you all have there. It sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay, so is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay, so you're paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right, and you're covering all extracurricular activities for each of them.
That's correct. That includes summer camp and baseball and everything. Yes.
Okay, so they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
And how much is that?
It's about $200 per kid.
Per kid,
Yep.
okay. Yeah, that definitely, it's good that you all can come to that sort of an agreement and do that, because that's not something that happens all the time in this courtroom, and I'm pretty sure in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay, so you say you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Correct.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,426.56, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Based on that, your gross would have been, it is, based on the documents that you presented, your gross is about $5,000 a month, your net is about $4,075.88. So what I will do is go ahead and adopt
Your
the
Honor,
agreement. Yes.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not comfortable with this agreement, but he's really mean. And if I don't agree to it,
I object, Your Honor. I'm not doing
What's your
anything.
legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
he has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money.
Boom. There it is. She drops the mic. He launders money, makes millions, and I'm scared for my life. This is why courts never take agreements at face value. Her sudden pivot from "he's a great dad" to "he'll kill me" exposes the real dynamic. And his reaction? She's crazy. Classic Darvo. Deny, attack, reverse victim, offender. But here's the legal tragedy. Support court can't issue protective orders. She's in the wrong venue for safety, and the judge knows it. Heartbreaking. The judge's hands are tied. Without evidence presented, like those bookie records she mentioned, he has to approve their $415 agreement, even if it's grossly unfair. But his "I need a drink" line says it all. He knows this isn't justice. Remember, folks, courts rely on proof, not just testimony. If she'd filed in criminal or family court first, this might have ended differently. Always. Lawyer up when safety's at stake.
And I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy, yeah. That's okay, I'm crazy. I'll just agree
So
to
you're
this.
agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the documentation
Can you maybe
I have.
make sure there's some life insurance for the children so that when he kills me that they'll be taken care
Oh
of?
my gosh. Not to sound insensitive, but in terms of protective orders, this is not the court that you would want to be in. You would definitely need to be in another court. But if you're thinking in terms of safety, I think your first step is to call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. Sir, I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
not doing
unfortunately, I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
He
As
has,
far as my
he has
job
everybody
goes-
on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
And you know what?
receipts.
I don't
I
even
have
wanna be
access to
incriminated
all
in
of
that.
his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do is adopt the agreement between you all based on what you've been doing. The $415 a month, you will continue to pay that. You will continue to pay the $289 in health insurance. You will continue to cover extracurricular activities for each of the children, including summer camp. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. And I think I need to go have a drink because you
Thank you, Your Honor.
guys have really, made me nervous.
So, what's the verdict? This case is a masterclass in hidden power dynamics. A mom terrified into accepting crumbs, a dad dodging scrutiny, and a system that couldn't save her in that moment. But you can help spread awareness. Smash that. Like button if you're shocked. Comment Darvo if you spotted his tactics, and subscribe for more cases that expose the truth behind the courtroom doors. Share this. Someone might need to hear it. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay safe, stay loud, and we'll see you next time.